Okay, what's going on, all my beautiful people? It's your boy Marlon O Bennett. Guys, if you are a person who are scouring the internet, if you're on YouTube or you're Googling ways to make money online, on Facebook or wherever you are, guys, I got a tremendous opportunity that I want to introduce you guys to tonight, and I want you guys to pay special attention to it. In tonight's video, I'm going to talk about how to build a list and make money working from home, guys. Even if you're brand new to internet marketing and you don't already have a product to sell, and how you can be completely set up within the next 60 seconds. This is some very explosive information, so I want you guys to ride with me for a second, and I want to show you guys exactly what it is.
What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Check out this gorgeous view here in the background, and I want to talk to you about the $25 one-up system. How powerful is that? As you can see right here, I've been able to make over $16,000 on complete autopilot with this simple done-for-you system. And now you're gonna pretty much wonder, how were you able to do that, right? In less than 60 days, I've been able to make over $16,000. The way that I did this was using free strategies, using social media. That's the same training you're gonna get access to once you get started with my team today. You're gonna get access to my step-by-step training, my blueprint, where I show you how I'm able to make over $500 even while I'm sleeping, how I'm able to receive unlimited $500, $250, $125 commissions. As you can see, these notifications are hitting my dashboard every single day, and I'm gonna show you, right, even if you're a complete newbie, I'm gonna show you how you can get educated, how you can become your own CEO, right? And so you might be asking, well, Adriana, are you the only one having success? Are your team members having success? So you can see all these different testimonials here that I'm getting, right, from our team that are making an extra income online. Big shout out to Manny. He had his a $400 day, right? He had his first $400 day, and it's phenomenal with the system, and anybody can do this, right? If you have a smartphone or a laptop and Wi-Fi connection, you can get paid on a daily basis as well. Okay, once you get started, you will be added to our support group here on Facebook, so we can give you proper guidance, right? You can get more additional support when you get started with the system. So what you want to do, you want to get started, click on the link below. So again, there are no monthly fees. It's a one-time investment that can potentially change your life, right? No monthly fees, and you will position yourself to earn 100% commissions and get instant payments straight into your account. How beautiful is that, right? My question to you is, how is your life going to change, right, when you're able to receive $250 commissions, when you're able to receive $500 commissions, right? What would an extra $2,000, $3,000 a month do for you and your family, right? So again, get started with the team today. Click on the link below, right? And then listen to the presentation where you're gonna learn, right, exactly what the system consists of, and how you can join the team, and how you can take advantage, right, of the leadership that we have here inside of $25 one-up. Get started. Other than that, I will see you at the top.